Hi everyone, it's Stacy's Story. This is our last video for the TLED 468-568 course. It's for the Writing Focus View and Reflect activity. The strategy I'm going to talk to you about today is sticky notes, and I found this activity off of our previous writing activity we had to complete where we reviewed all of the videos. Now, sticky notes is a really fun, easy activity that can be used in the classroom that requires just a few materials. So all you'll need is just the textbook that the students are going to be reviewing. You're going to need your sticky notes, and so I've selected a few different colors for the students, and then you're going to need pencils for the students. And so the SOLs that this strategy would cover, I chose the 5th grade, and so this is going to be the content SOL is United States History to 1865. It's US 1.6. The student will demonstrate knowledge of the causes and results of the American Revolution by A, identifying the issues of dissatisfaction that led to the American Revolution. And the writing SOL that I chose for English is 5.7. The student will write for a variety of purposes to describe, inform, entertain, explain, and persuade. And it's covering C, organized information to convey a central idea. Now this also covers a lot of reading SOLs under the English 5th grade standards. They're going to be clarifying words as they're going through the text. They're going to be developing vocabulary, building prior knowledge, and it's also covering the research SOLs because they're going to be constructing questions about the topic as well. So it's a really great activity that's going to be covering a lot of SOLs for the 5th grade class. And so the way you actually implement this strategy into your classroom is before you begin the lesson, you're going to find the textbook that's going to be relating to your topic. And so I've chosen the Boston Tea Party because this does relate to the American Revolution and it's covering that content SOL. And what you want to do is read this textbook and you want to go through it and you're going to find a good stopping point. So as I read through the text, I decided that my students were going to be stopping on page 15. It's the end of the 2nd chapter. It will be a good stopping point for them. And so what I did was I placed a sticky note so you could see it outside of the book, and it's very visible, of course, once they get to that page as well. And then that's it. That's all you have to do prior to the lesson beginning other than gathering all your materials. But once you're ready to begin, you're just going to pass out the book to the students. You're going to pass out their sticky notes and their pencils, and you're going to be explaining the book, how it relates to the topic, and then you're going to be explaining how the students are going to complete this strategy, which is they're going to be reading this text silently, and then they're going to stop once they reach their sticky note that's sticking out of the book. So once they get to that page, they're going to stop reading and they don't want to move on. And as they're reading, if they have any questions, if they don't understand what the author's talking about, if they don't understand the topic, they don't understand a vocabulary word, if they're reading and they find something interesting, if they're reading and they think of another picture that they would like to be added to the book, you want them to jot that down on one of their sticky notes, and you want them to take that sticky note and place it on that page that they're at. And so you'll let the students have time to read all the way to their stopping point, and then once they finish, you're going to have the students pick out one of their favorite sticky notes to share with the class. And then you're going to call on each of the students to share it, and you want them to explain why they chose that. And so again, this is a really, fun. It's fun for the students. It's great for the teachers because they don't require a lot of materials, and they're going to be reading a good textbook that's definitely relating to the content SOL in the classroom. So they're going to be learning a lot more material, and it's making it fun for the students. This is definitely a benefit for the students because it can be used in the classroom and it can also be used at home. It's going to be getting the students engaged in the text, and it's also promoting discussion on the topic. So again, it's a great strategy that you can use in the classroom, and I definitely hope it's one that you all will use when you're teaching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.